Hello and welcome back to another day building public Nextdoor automation. Today I will be presenting you the feature that will operate on your group. As mentioned in my previous videos, I strongly recommend that when you are publishing posts on Nextdoor, you should be creating them in a group that will be thematized in line with your activity. So let's take, for example, a carpenter in Chicago. Create a group carpenter in Chicago, and you will be posting there. Some people will then see your post, because even if you're posting in a group, these publications are visible in the main feed line of the sorry, I need to close that. Will be posted in the feed line, and you will be then creating a kind of funnel, virtual funnel on Nextdoor, and people who are interested in your post will tend to join this group, like the one done by one of our customers in France that I mentioned before. He's sharing some interesting deals and cultural and sports event in Paris, and over time he has built already a 7,600 member group. Not all of the group members being active, but that's the rule on social media. But as soon as he gets people request to join, then this small message appears on top of the group. 15 pending membership requests. So our automation helps him auto accept these requests and send the new joining members a direct message, a DM, sharing some commercial intent. So it's up to you to, and we help you do that, make the best commercial message, DM for them, and also we personalize these DMs so that also it's not seen by Nextdoor as spamming. You don't want to mass send messages to even the people who are always joining a group, always with the same message. So we have ways to make them change with the use of spintax processes. So instead of having always the same message copy-paste, we make them randomly change some words, some variables, so that it's not flagged by Nextdoor app as spamming processes, which is forbidden according to the guidelines of Nextdoor. So I will start the process, and you will see that the robot will be accepting these new members, and it will make also some random poses as you would do as a user, and you will see that it goes to the new member profile. We save the profile URL, then we create a randomized text and we write it. And we write it in a way that someone would do on the keyboard, and not as a copy paste by a robot. So that helps you escape the flagging being a robot. And it will loop until the whole list of new membership requests is done. And you don't have to take care of that. The message is sent. You can share a URL with a link towards your business, and that's how you do it. Then we go back to the group again. Now we will see that it will again click on the next pending review request and process the next one. So it takes some time, as if you would do it by hand. It's not everything done at once in 5 seconds. We don't want to do that. And then you have a very nice robot working for you. So that's Nextdoor automation. That's one part of what we are doing. We do other things for you to help get more leads to your business on auto mode. So if you're interested in joining, or if you have any question, you have my contact details, our website in the video description. So you're welcome to contact me. I'm Eric, and you can also ask any question in the comment section if you have any. If you like this video, leave it a like, a dislike if you want. You can subscribe to the channel, and you will be then notified when I release a new video. So I'll stop it here, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.